And now, the end is near. And so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway. And more, much more than this,
I did it my way.
yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up.
And spit it out.
I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows, and did it my way.
Maging sa telebisyon at media, malaki ang impluwensya ng basketball. Lagi itong may shows o commercials na konektado sa basketball. Pinapakita kung paano ito ibahagi sa buhay ng bawat Pilipino.
Sa entertainment industry, basketball is often used as a team dahil madali itong ma-relate sa masa. Pinagsasama nito ang sports at drama, isang perfect combination para sa mga Pinoy audiences.
Ang basketball ay buhay para sa maraming Pilipino. Ito ay inspirasyon, pag-asa at simbolo ng tagumpay. Sa isang bansa na puno ng laban, ang court ay nagiging lugar ng ating pangarap at pagkakaisa. At dito na nagtatapos ang ating mainit-init na talakayan tungkol sa isang pinakasikat na sport sa ating bansa. At ito ay basketball. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay.
Patuloy nating suportahan ang lahat ng manlalaro dito lang sa Fast Break Nation. Ako si Anthony.
At ako naman si Sean, kung saan ang bawat tira, rebound at pasa ay may kwento.
Hanggang sa susunod, magandang araw at keep shooting for your dreams.